The Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University Anantapur has started accepting the AP EAMCET 2022 application form. Interested candidates can submit the application form in online mode. The examination is conducted for admissions in engineering, medical and agricultural undergraduate courses across Andhra Pradesh. Through this video, Careers 360 is providing a step-by-step process to fill the AP EAMCET application form. Firstly, visit the official website cets.apsche.ap.gov.in and click on the AP EAMCET application fee payment link. Complete the registration form with basic details like name, date of birth, active mobile number, registered email ID and pay the required fee in the online mode. Once payment is done successfully, proceed to fill out the application form. Details like personal details, qualifying examination details and more have to be added to complete the application form. In the next step, candidates have to upload documents like signature and passport size photograph in the prescribed format. The next window will highlight the candidate's complete details. In case any detail needs to be changed, then click on the Modify button. Otherwise, click on Confirm button to submit the form. Finally, the AP EAMCET registration number will be displayed on the screen. Print the application form for future reference. Candidates can check the important details regarding AP EAMCET exam in the description link mentioned below.